Hi, this is Carrie, and welcome to the Ellis Rd Townhomes. This is a small community with 20 duplex-style townhomes right here on Jacksonville's west side. While we are selling these as individual townhome sides, we are able to sell 2 units to our customers that are wanting to keep their investments under one roof. As you can see, we have multiple elevations, which gives us a good design mix. Now let's go inside and take a look. Thank you for taking this quick tour of our Ellis Rd Townhomes with me. If you would like to make one of these your own, please contact me or my team. We would love to help.